In this video I'm gonna tell you how to make your Instagram account from public to private. It is easy and simple, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, open Instagram application. Now tap on your account option on the bottom right corner. Now tap on three horizontal bars on the upper right corner, and here tap on setting option below, and here you can see many options, but you should have to tap on privacy, and on the top you can see private account option, so simply tap on this. So it cannot change to private account because I'm using a business account. Instagram says that you should have to first switch it to personal account, then you can make your account private. So if you are using business account, creator or business account, first of all you should have to change it to personal account and then try. So I am switching, and here tap on switch to personal account and switch to personal account. Now I have switched to personal account, so let's see again. Go to privacy again and tap on private account option and switch to private. So you see that it has changed to private account. So that is the method. It is not so difficult. See you in the next video. Goodbye.